Hey, this is Beth from Zumba. I'm doing some how-to videos for you today, all on basic steps that we do in Zumba, breaking them down a little bit so that to help you in class. So here we go. Hello, I'm Beth from Zumba. I am showing you some moves that we use in our Zumba classes. One of them I'm going to show you now is the Reggaeton, and one of the Reggaeton moves, and it's called a destroza. And when I was taught it, we were taught to pretend like we are holding a towel, which I have here, and we're holding it behind our back, and it's as if we are rubbing our back dry after a shower. So that's what we do with our arms, and the legs and the hips sort of emulate that, follow those ideas. So destroza is literally we lift up and stamp down, but it's to the side. Now that's at its most basic point. But as you know, with Zumba, we like a bit more flavour than just lifting up and putting down. We add the hips. Oh, the hips are wonderful for adding flavour. So what we're going to do is with the arms, we're going to go, as we go down, we're going to push the hip down. So it's down and down and down and down. And we work in fours almost all the time, 4s or 8s. And the other side, 1, 2, 3, 4. And we often do these steps either going like that or round in a circle. So we will do them going round in a circle. So we go 1, 2, 3, 4. We're going to just do a half a circle. I haven't got the space here. And so we can do it that side. 1, 2, 3, 4. I've lost the towel with our hands. We just maybe want to have them in a fist or arms really super flat. Try not to do what I often do and do my salsa hands, and then it looks a bit weird. It doesn't look reggaeton styly, it looks salsa-y. Anyway, so pushing, 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 and we are leaning the weight onto the foot, and like with the stomp, where we're not, we're keeping it back. So we're leaning into it, push and push and push, and then the more you go for it, you can add the head and really go crazy. You can take the arms up, but the hips are really working for you here. Additionally, we can do an extra bit of fitness with this. So we can do a destroza up, down. So up, down, up, down. We can vary the tempo. So we can go up, down, up, up, down, up, down, up, down. So any sort of any of those variations or other ones can be used in the class. I think it's a really, really fun move. Loads of fitness because you're getting right down into a good squat. So remember to keep your bum sticking out. It's so important. I'll do it the other way so you can see. So we're going, pushing out and out and out. Then you can go right down, down, up, down, up. They work really well going round as well and varying that speed. Thank you so much for watching the Reggaeton Stomp. Oh no, the Reggaeton Destroza. And hope to see you soon. Enjoy in your classes.